I don't know about you guys, but I really do enjoy spend some quality time with myself, sitting outside on the street and just have some coffee or just me, myself, a drink and mobile phone. It's really nice. I am having a blast. I think it's so important that we all spend some time with ourselves, to reflect, to think, and just to calm down, honestly. Yeah, I love it. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my new vlog in new country. I'm currently in Melbourne, Australia. Today is Saturday, 4th of November. Well, as I am a super lazy traveler, I only do homework the last minute. I found this website called What's on Melbourne. It basically shows what you can do in the area of Melbourne. As I couldn't find free walking tour, I found the website is providing different walking maps. So today I am going to do this arcades and laneways tour. While walking to my first street, I'm passing through Australia oldest train station. According to the paper, what is so special about is that this older station got a green dome over there and some oldest clock. Okay, let's start the tour because I've been really walking around. So the first street is the De Graaf Street, which is just in front of the Flinders Street station. So this walking tour basically is a tour that you're gonna walk around all the historical arcades and art-feeling lanes. According to the website, it is the best way to wander around Melbourne. Yeah, and I think all around you got a lot of cute shops, as well bars and restaurants and street art. So right across the De Graaf Street, you have this place called the Central Place. It is a small streets, as well a lot of restaurants, and yeah, it gives you the Spanish vibe where people sit all around drinking coffee, having breakfast, brunch, dinner. While walking around the Central Place, I found this, I would say, dodgy hipstery food place. I love how it looks like, just super rural. You know, the sandwiches that is served, it looks really good. So I decided, you know what, just have a sit and enjoy the food.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yay, I got my sandwich. Okay, this is bad. So this entire tour has in total about 15 spots. I start to eat already just at stop 2. Oh no. The Royal Arcade is Australia. All the shopping arcade dates to 1870s. So this is the oldest shopping mall of Australia. I have to be honest, it looks very European, of course. You know, it can be in Paris, London or Milan, but stunning. All the glass work, the shop boutiques, beautiful, and the clock in the middle. So what I love walking around those kind of old streets is that you have a lot of modern shops as well, coffee shop, and walking around, so beside it's a beautiful coffee shop, you see those old stairs from back in the days, like the circle stairs, which is kind of very fascinating. And here, a letter repair shop as well, a beautiful stair, circle stair that is there. Next, the hardware land. This is where the Melbourne people hang, according to this what's on Melbourne. A lot of restaurants, outdoor dining area. And a barber. So after the hardware lane, I just decided to walk down to all these 4 different mini streets. I'm not sure if you can see it well. 4 different mini streets where you get to find a lot of different street art. Actually, some of those works are really, really amazing. It's beautiful, all these arts, but why next to the rubbish always? In all of these mini streets, you also get to find some sushi bar, piano bar. It's a place where Australians come in the night, I guess. The party hood. On the tiny streets, I ordered a coffee. And I don't want to sit inside because I think the weather is nice. I just want to be out. Oh my god, my face. I just want to be out and enjoying and feel the vibe. Yeah, it's good. Life is good. I'm happy. Okay, that was another 30-minute stop. Me, myself, and I with a coffee. I really love it. Yeah, let's continue because I think I'm now in stop number 11 and there is just another 5 spots to go, and this walking through then will end.